Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Laura Bruno and today I'm going to be showing you my recipe for honey garlic glazed pork chops. So delicious, very easy. So let's get started. So what you'll need is 4 tablespoons of soy sauce, a half cup of honey, 1 teaspoon of ginger, 1 garlic clove that is minced, a pinch of pepper, and 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. So the first thing you're going to do is take the soy sauce and you're going to just put everything into the soy sauce. Now this is going to be a marinade for the pork chops, and we're going to be frying the pork chops. So once you have everything into the bowl, you just mix it around. Now you're going to marinate the pork chops for at least 20 minutes. So today I'm using the center cut thin pork chops, and we're going to be putting the marinade all over the chops. Just flip them over and get the other side. Now these really cook fast. And you're going to put some more of the sauce on top. Now you're just going to let this sit for about 20 minutes, if you can longer, but usually I let them sit in the marinade for at least 20 minutes. So in my pan I have 2 tablespoons of oil and 1 tablespoon of butter. I'm going to be melting it. I'm going to start off with a high flame for 1 minute and then lower the flame to medium to low for 3 minutes. And then you're going to flip them over. So once the butter has melted, you take your pork chops that have been marinating and you're just going to place them into the pan. So, like I said, you start off with a high flame for 1 minute and then turn it down to medium to low for 3 minutes and then flip them over. So I just turned them over, so I'm on a high flame right now. Going to cook them for 1 minute, lower it down, and cook it for another 3 minutes. Hey guys, so here it is, honey garlic glazed pork chops. I made broccoli florets and some rice. So fast, so easy, so delicious. Please like, share, and subscribe. Bye guys.